Hello guys, today I'm going to make a quick and easy tutorial for Notion. So first off guys, we have to click on get Notion for free to register. So guys, just after clicking this you'll be given this menu for signing up. You can sign up with your work email or you just can continue with your Google, which I'm going to do because it will be easier for me. So right now I'm just gonna choose my account. Here is it. I click on it, just wait a few seconds, just also after that click on continue and wait a little bit. So wow, it's redirecting us to the main site. Let's see for what reason we be using Notion. Let's see, it's for personal use, to stay organized and everything and keep everything at place. Just wait a second, and here is it guys. Notion, it's a really simple looking app that shouldn't really try to fool you into thinking that it's hard, because it is not. So here is it guys, we can add a page and the page can be called, it can be called like maybe task management. You also can ask AI like to write me a list of jobs that I can do, and you see that AI will write you a list. It's really good. I think it is supported with ChatGPT, but I'm not really sure guys, and I won't try to tell you that I'm not particularly sure of. So as you see guys, that the AI has written us the list. You can also like we can try to translate something like in Spanish. As you see guys, it can be done. We can also add AI to summarize. As you see guys, it did summarize it in Spanish, even though I haven't really asked to do it. It may be still from the flowing from the other input that I did for a second. But guys, you know that we also can comment on everything. You can make comments. You can add another text, like here we can add an image from our PC, like we can also add an Giphy like this one. I didn't really see it, but still I chose it because I thought that it would look really cool. And yeah guys, that is really it. It is indeed simple and easy to navigate with. And now let me just show you the paid plans. So you see guys that we currently are using the free plan, and we can use the Notion's AI 20 times. But we also can buy the plus plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. The plus plan is the second to last plan, but it's not the worst guys. It also has its features that are I think okay for its price. For $10 a member for a month, I think it's really good. It has good perks and is budget friendly. And you also has the business plan. You have the business plan, which is $80 per month, and the enterprise, which is $25 per month. And you also can purchase the Notion AI, which is paid separately. And guys, I think that this sums it up, and I hope guys I have helped you, and I wish you a great day. Goodbye.